behind your frozen eyes. Skies ahead and laughter make me feel just one more thing than I. And even though that I despise the thing you're after, realize you're something more than I. And it's alright, yeah, it's alright now, 'cause it's alright now. And my unselfish lies, they try to live after and take a breath of something more than I put you to the test. I sacrifice my feelings for peace inside my mind. I live for rest. And it's alright, and it's alright now. It's alright now.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've got rollers on the Viva. Although they're flat, so they're not really rollers, more like sliders, because my Viva wheels are here in the prep room. So we're going to prep the wheels for paint on the Viva and shape some of this bodywork on the Mark III Fiesta and prep that for painting too. So if you'd like to see some highly professional prep and bodywork done at a reasonable price, have a look through YouTube somewhere. There's probably a channel where someone does that. So I've got some hook and loop sandpaper stuff because I can't find my sheets of sandpaper. I've got some wire brushes, some wire wool. Let's get to cleaning on these. Sorry about the wind noise. I've just had beans on toast. Coming up pretty good. I'm not striving for perfection, but yeah, I'll get some rust converter on there as well. I want to do this lip. I'm getting there. I've nearly got that one perfect. Something spot on that one. There's a few more little kinks to do, but I'm losing track of what I'm doing here. I need to get the wheels clean out and sort that out another time. Need to get the wheels stripped. Right, ready for some built hammer rust converter. Huh. Old school thing for spraying wheels. I've got some plain cards to shove in the side of the rim for spray painting. I'm going to put them in now because I don't want the rust converter stuff getting on the rubber. I don't know what it does to it. Maybe it just doesn't do anything to it. Just to be sure. I should warn you though, if anyone is to challenge us at cards, I am pretty good at cards, mind. Can you play Snap in the casinos? By the way, check out these. These were made for me by Mr. Dave Roundtree. Thank you very much. Look at it's even got the bodge in the the rear quarter of the Fiesta. They're class M. Thank you very much, Dave. Nice talking to you and your lady yesterday. I think he said he cut them out using his plasma cutter. But they're well cool, them. Ghetto paint job. Now I like to mix my Built Hamber Hydrate 80 with creatine because I want my wheels to be jacked. This stuff is brilliant, by the way, this Built Hamber Hydrate 80. Built Hamber, if you're watching, if you want to sponsor us, I know I've only got just under 5,000 subscribers now, but you never know. One day I might just have as many subscribers as Chris Armstrong. This stuff is superb. Watch this. There's that side done. I'll let that dry. I'll give it 20 to 30 minutes and I'll give it a second coat. Well, the wheels are drying. I've been taking care of some body work on the little Fiesta and I've been shaping the rear quarter bit here. Don't know if you can tell. I haven't done the inner arch yet. Just this bit here because it was just clagged in. I've done a little bit on the rear valance as well, shaping that bit. And I put some, sanded that down where the bad pitted bit is, and I've got some rust converter in it. But there's more to do. Right, I've got rust converter stuff on the bare metal here and there. I'm going to finish off sanding it by hand. Phone's about to run out of charge, but let that thing do its work overnight. As I said, I've started shaping bits in, but the main bit, that looked like cake mix, I've started sanding in here and it feels better already. I don't know why. That's pretty solid, like all the way around, and they had like a crazy amount of filler on there, like making excess work for themselves, but feathered, if that's the right word. I've feathered that in, started contouring that bit feathered in, so is that. There's still a ridge there, and obviously there, that's metal, but I don't know if it's been hit there in the past or what. I don't want to take this all out, I'm scared. No, I'm just going to keep sanding it and shaping it, and then I'll get some like pinhole body filler, put my own body filler on top of it eventually. But top tip, won't sound like anything if you if you know like painting, bodywork, like body filler stuff and how to work it and stuff like that, or if you're in the industry. But if you don't and it's your first time doing it, don't hold it flat thinking I'm going to sand this down or you're going to end up with like a ridge like all the time. You'll be able to see it when you paint. I mean, do it like on an angle when you get to the outer bits to like feather it out, and you could build this bit out like it's got max power arches on it or something like that, and as long as you feather it in, it'll look like it's part of it. You know what I mean? Might not look like much to some, but it's taking shape. I can't wait to like finish that off and get some primer on it. But definitely better than that cake mix that was stuck on it. I don't know why they put so much, unless they were learning themselves, like how much body like filler on it up to there and overlapping. Ugh. Bloody hell, Lee, you are right about the DA on the compressor. Like, it hasn't stopped running. Woo! She is hot. Can anyone recommend a good budget electric? Is this DA? The one's that spinny? I don't want the one that just goes. Pneumatic. That's the word, isn't it? Is it pneumatic when it spins round like that? Or is that because it's on a? I don't know. Can you get a spinny one? That's electric. A lot more bodywork videos to come because I've got a lot of bodywork to do. Let's check on these wheels. Oh yes. Right, that's that done. In 24 hours, it'll be time for paint. This is amazing stuff. I would, however, recommend definitely wearing a mask, because if you inhale too much of it, it makes everything taste like licorice. Just enjoy me cup of licorice here, and me licorice bites. I was going to end this video by taking the Viva for a drive, but I think it would definitely drive better with its wheels. Yes, the other 3 wheels need done, and if I'd got off my arse sooner yesterday, I probably would have got them done. But I am a lazy bastard. I mean, once I get going, I keep going, you know what I mean? But sometimes it takes. Yesterday, I just wanted to chill with a cup of tea, slide into the chair and watch some YouTube, you know what I mean? But I'm the laziest motivated person there is. I need from this day forward, not a second wasted. In the meantime, thank you all very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.